Hi guys, welcome to my live auction preview video. Sunday, May 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is my live auction. And this is one of the pieces that's going to be included in the auction that I have not been able to share with you on my channel. The creation of this beautiful painting had some files that were corrupted. So even though I got to show you the beautiful pour and some of the creation, the footage became corrupted right during the tilt. But look at the beautiful island blossom flower that ended up happening. I basically did some cupping and some balloon rolls and some swirls. You can see how gorgeous this painting turned out right here. Just lovely, bright, vibrant colors, and it really dried just exactly the same way. So it's fun to see the pinks and the greens together married in a painting. That's hard to do successfully, so it's very pretty. So those of you who haven't been to my auction before, something that you want to keep in mind: you need to show up a little bit ahead of time, maybe 5 minutes before, 4 minutes before the auction starts. You need to be logged in so you can make comments and see the comment section. The live comments is where you place your bids. You want to stay in live chat mode versus top chat mode, and that'll help you see the bids in real time. Don't wait to the last second to place your bids because sometimes there's delays in the internet for people. So that's a few of the things that you can do during the auction. And of course, it's just fun to socialize and see all the people that show up, and a lot of us know each other. So I will be doing it all by myself this year. So it's going to be, my focus is really just going to be on, the bidding. So I hope that you do join me. This is the live auction preview right now. I'm going to show you all the pieces that we're going to have available. The piece we just saw is 12 by 12 gallery wrapped. The 12 by 12 gallery wrapped we did in one of our live videos. And this little peach number, 8 by 16, I love that piece. The fireworks painting, it just dried so pretty. This beautiful abalone painting that was finished in my high gloss varnish, by the way, and that turned out really great. This was the the gold embellished piece that I did. This next painting is so pretty, and it almost has all these, it's almost gone unnoticed. It has these beautiful fractals all the way around the edges. It's a really gorgeous and interesting piece. This beautiful painting has that golden pigment by Leslie Onstead, the primary elements, really shiny and pretty. And then my Easter egg painting, so happy and bright, and all the beautiful metallics in it. This medallion with the gold in the center, I love that piece. And then this ocean painting with the airbrush. Look at the airbrush on the top right corner. Just so pretty. I can't wait to see you guys at my auction, Sunday, May 17th at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thanks so much, and I can't wait to see you there. All right, bye-bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.